Trying to light again using a small wick to test vegetable oil as a fuel. Once again, we are using cotton wicking. This was purchased as a rag from Home Depot and cut into a small piece that could then be used as wicking. The cotton itself lights fairly rapidly, and it seems the oil is burning fairly easily as well. I'm going to illuminate the entire area with a light from my phone so as to improve the quality of the video, perhaps. That seems to do little to nothing, so I'm going to turn off that light. As of right now, the smoke is almost completely odorless. In addition, it's burning. There is a fair amount of smoke, but it's not a large amount. It's unclear as of right now whether or not it's actually wicking from down in the can. However, based on the drips of oil coming off of the wicking, I would hazard to guess that it is. It's also possible that this is just burning the wick itself and not the wick or the fuel. Roughly half a cup of fuel was added to the can prior to testing. And once again, this is a test of vegetable oil using cotton wicking. I have just removed some of the zoom from the camera so as to allow more of the flame to be seen. As of right now, a 1-inch piece of wicking pulling from oil roughly 4 inches down, lower than the level of the burning flame, is generating a flame roughly 5 to 6 inches in height. Unfortunately, I do not have a banana for scale. All in all, I would say that the vegetable oil is likely a good candidate for fuel. However, as my wicking has a poor apparatus to test, I don't believe that I can get a good result, or I should say a good test of the efficacy or burn time, given that the wick itself is burning and there's nothing arresting that burn spreading down the wick. So, I'm going to end the test. The can is still cool enough to touch. It was fairly challenging to blow out the flame, giving credence to its use as a wick and to the possibility that it was actually wicking the oil. Once again, the smoke itself is very inane. It doesn't harm the eyes to kind of get it in, though it does give kind of a drying effect similar to any kind of smoke. All in all, I would say that the smoke is fairly inane or innocuous.